Hey, welcome back. We're looking at how to do a radio link. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, go back and watch that first, or this won't make any sense. So right now, continuing with part 2 of the structure of the radio link. So looking at the radio link, you can see that you do all the back announcing, then move on to your talk content, and then front announce into the next linked item. It is often not a good idea to say the artist's name and song name at the beginning of the song, because you will be back announcing the song at the end again, and the repetition is not great. If you are playing 3 songs or more in a row, then it's okay, because it will have been a long while since you announced the song name. What you should be doing in the front announcing is giving a reason for the listener to stay listening while you play the next linked item, even if the next thing is a song. For example, you can mention a competition or an artist you will be interviewing. Often listeners don't want to hear adverts, so when you do a link from a song to an advert, they might turn the volume down or even change stations. So you need to give them a compelling reason to stay or at least return. So for example, if you have a competition coming up, you could say all your linked content, and then before you play the advert, say, "Coming up, I'll be giving away $1,000 in cash to the first caller who can answer my question." Or, "Coming up, the greatest rock musician in history will be in our studio in just a short while, so keep listening to find out who he is." Whatever your reason, it must be real, or you will disappoint your listeners, and it must be something that will actually keep them listening through the adverts. So, for example, saying, "Coming up is my co-host who wants to say something," is not as attractive as "Coming up, Taylor Swift is in our studio right now and wants to speak with you, so be ready." Also, it's important to not mention the adverts as if it's a feature. So don't say, "Right now we have to pay the rent and play the adverts." Or even worse, saying, "Right now, some adverts for you." Pretty much everyone knows the reason adverts are paid for is because nobody actually wants to listen to them. So it's something you need to get the listener through by offering something attractive afterwards. Think about how your mom might have said, "If you eat your vegetables, I have some yummy pudding for you." This is the same idea. Get them through the necessary to get to the delicious stuff. If you want to learn more about radio links and more about radio presenting, be sure to subscribe to be notified when my complete radio course is available. So from the structure, you can see that you do your back announcing and station ID, etc., and then move on to the content, which could be a story or a competition or even some other information you have. Then you front announce into a song or advert or news, etc. Now that we know how to structure the link, let's look closer at what goes where. The basic flow is like this. Bryan Adams, Summer of '69 on Best Community Radio 98.7 with Taylor Swift before that, and I Will Write Your Name, starting off the triple play with a classic from 1978, The Grand Band with Set Me Free. Then you can segue into your content if you can work out a good way to say it. For example, if the song mentioned has the word free and the information in your content is about someone being set free, you can do it something like this. And starting off the triple play with The Grand Band and Set Me Free. I'll tell you who is happy to be free right now is Bob James, or whoever you're talking about. He was just released this morning, etc., etc. Then you can move on to the front announcing. You can also segue this link by saying, for example, "It's amazing to have Bob James finally free. Great news for our community." Speaking of that community feeling, here are the Beatles and Come Together. Try not to segue your back announcing and your front announcing in the same link, as this also brings in an element of repetition. When you do the front announcing of a song, you can talk up to the vocals, but under no circumstances should you speak over the vocals. Also, if the song starts with a very recognizable and important part of the song, you should not speak over that either. This, once again, is to not anger your listener. And if the intro of the song is very long, like a minute or so, don't speak all the way across the intro. It is very irritating for the listener. Also, don't say a station ID and then play a recorded station ID. Either say the station name or play a sting of the station name. Don't do both. Even if you do a short link to go, for example, to the news, it is important to keep the same structure. For example, Brian Adams, Summer of 69 on Best Community Radio 98.7 at 5 p.m. It's time for the news. And then play the news jingle. If you want to learn more about radio links and more about radio presenting, be sure to subscribe to be notified when my complete radio course is available. See you next time.